everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a cute cartoon Earth. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cute little Earth for Earth Day, let's begin by making a circle on our paper. I'm going to go ahead and just trace a little circle. If you don't have anything to trace, that's okay. You can just use whatever you have or just freehand it. So let's begin in the middle of our paper, and we're just going to make a nice little circle right along here. So I'm just going to kind of trace my circle shape, and I'm going to go over it one more time just to make sure my lines are nice and dark. Now, once we have that, let's go ahead and draw some eyes for our little Earth. So I'm going to begin by making a circle shape for one eye. Then I'm going to make another circle shape for the other eye. I'm going to put it right about here, trying to make them about the same size. Next, I'm going to put a circle towards the top of each one, and then a second circle towards the bottom of each one. Then I'm just going to go ahead and color in the inside, leaving those two circles white. So I'm just going to go ahead and color in the inside of each one. Now let's go ahead and give our little Earth a mouth. So let's begin by making a little smiley face shape like this. Then we're just going to go down and then up for the mouth. We can make a little sad face for the tongue, and then we can make a little line across for the teeth. Now let's go ahead and make some arms and legs for our little Earth. So starting right here, I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to come out, and then a second line here. I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to make a little line come out, and a second line. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up, and then I'm just going to bring this back and connect it for the foot. Same thing here. I'm just going to kind of curve this line up, bring it back, and then connect it. Next, I'm going to draw a little line across and another one here, and then a little line here and a little line here. That way it kind of looks like he's wearing some shoes. Now for some fun little arms, let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come out on each side. Let's draw a little bump for the thumb on each one. Then let's just make a small little curve shape for the hand, and then we'll bring it back. Same thing here, just a little curve shape for the hand, and then we're just going to bring it back. Keep it nice and simple. Now, just kind of draw some details in here. I'm going to begin by just kind of making a little wiggly line up here. I want to make another kind of wiggly line here by the eye. We'll kind of come down and then bring it over. We'll make a little line that's going to come down. We'll make another one right over here. And then let's make another kind of wiggly line that's going to come down here like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cute little fun Earth for Earth Day. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.